AUTEC Sushi Robot, ASM410. Spray AUTEC oil evenly onto these parts. Never spray the oil onto feeding rollers. Loosen sushi rice clumps before placing into the hopper. Flip the power switch on. Press the Start-Stop button to begin operation. ASM410 features a stop sensor that automatically halts operation when the turntable is full and resumes when the rice ball is removed. Set the number of rice balls with the volume adjustment. In case of an emergency, push the emergency stop knob to halt operations. To resume, pull out the knob and press the clear button. ASM410 features two main functions. Continuous forming mode, where 7 rice balls are produced at a time. And single forming mode, for small production needs. Firmness of rice balls can be adjusted simply by switching out the feeding rollers. Remove the following parts for cleaning: hopper, front cover, hopper base, feeding rollers, forming rollers, rear panel, and turntable. Use a soft sponge to wash parts. Made in Japan, reliable quality, AUTEC Sushi Robot, ASM410.